everyone! Hi guys! Kumusta? So magluto ako ng dinner ngayon. Dinner time sa Canada. So magluto ako ng pasta. So here, have some olive oil heated, and then I'm gonna add the butter. Melt lang konti. Ayan, nag-melt na siya. I'm going to do some experimentation how to cook pasta. So let's see kung masarap. For sure magiging masarap. Okay, I'm going to add the garlic, minced garlic. Ganyan lang. Dinamihan ko ng garlic para masarap at malasa. Let's wait for it to brown a little bit. Okay. Yan, nag-brown na ang garlic. So let's add the onions, chopped onions. And then also the cherry tomatoes. Yan lang. Stir konti. Ganda ng kulay. Very colorful. It's been a while na hindi na ako nakapag-voice over ng cooking ko kasi very busy, guys. Hindi na ako masyado nakakaluto kasi warm weather na sa Canada. Marami nang ginagawa after school ang mga bata. So maya playground or somewhere else. So we ended up ordering and buying some food which is not good and it's not healthy. But for now we don't have a choice. But now I have time to cook. And then pagpagod sa work, wala na rin akong energy to cook. Ang hirap ng buhay as a full-time mom at full-time din sa work. So, pero carry lang yan. May time pa rin mag-upload, guys. Pero I have less engagement kasi I have limited time lang sa social media. So, here pala, nilagay ko na ang ground beef. Lutuin lang natin siya. Yan. Sineseparate ko lang siya para maluto ang mga, kasi chunky siya, diba guys, yung beef chunks siya. Kaya kailangan mo paghiwa-hiwalayin para maluto ng madali. Yan na. Medyo nag-brown na siya. Medyo luto-luto na ang beef. Pero hindi pa siya totally luto. So, lagyan natin ng konting salt. Konti lang kasi mamaya may flavor yung sauce. And then, the ground pepper. Okay, haluin na natin. Let's mix it together.
Wait. Go up to it again, but don't jump and touch it. Just put your hand up as high as you can go.
Going to add the mushrooms. As usual, haluin. Tikman natin. Let's taste it. Harap. Ang sarap ng lasa, guys. Tamang-tama lang. Lutuin lang natin mga na 2 minutes yung mushroom. Tapos i-add natin yung sauce. Okay, kumulo na. Pwede na natin i-add ang sauce natin, guys. I have here, Classico Alfredo sauce. Bumili lang ako ng bumili lang store, guys, kasi mas easier, mabilis. And the other one, let's mix it. Wow, sauce looks good. Now let's add a little pesto sauce. Let's mix it, guys. Alfredo at pesto. Experiment lang, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Wow. Ang masarap. Look at that. It looks so creamy. Let's see kung masarap. Tikman natin. Let's try it. Harap. So sauce is ready. Let's add the, what is it? I pre-cooked the pasta na. So here's the pasta, rigatoni pasta. Mukhang maliit yung lutuan ko. Oh, wow, ang dami. Todo na to. Let's mix it. Wow. Wow. Napadami ata yung pasta ko. Look at that, everyone. Look at that, guys. Nakakatakam. Let's mix it well para mag-absorb sa sauce. Whoa. Then I'm gonna add the last two ingredients. Now we're gonna add the spinach. Spinach para healthy. Napadami yung pasta ko. Napadami yung pasta. Haluin lang natin ng maigi. So I have here, guys, cooked sausages. Nilagay ko sa ibabaw. Wow, this is amazing. Dinner is ready. Let's eat, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Bye.